This is a street you don't expect to find anymore, where bikes, block parties, and pickup basketball games abound. This is a former model home tucked in this cul-de-sac in the Bridges at Shadow Glen neighborhood on a really private lot that backs to open space and trails. Let's go inside and have a look. Once inside, the scale of this home is easy to feel. The great room anchors the home with light, volume, and connection, flowing easily between kitchen, dining, and outdoor spaces. As a former model home, the details feel more considered, and with recent updates including fresh interior paint and new carpets and abundant improvements to the backyard, this home feels clean, current, and ready. 4 bedrooms, a dedicated office, and a flexible bonus space create room for real life to unfold, with space for work, guests, homework, weekends, and everyday living. The rare 4-car garage adds functionality with space for bikes, toys, projects, and just Ben living. And out back, space and privacy with a large lawn, raised garden beds, a large patio, accent lighting, and a wonderful playhouse. Just out back, the trail system begins almost immediately, good for morning walks, evening rides, and connectivity all the way to Alpenglow Park. Along with the Bridges Community Clubhouse, pool, fitness center, basketball court, and community amenities, the lifestyle extends well beyond the walls of the home. We invite you to come have a look for yourself.